Genius Act just cleared a major Senate hurdle with a decisive 66-32 vote as Bitcoin pushes toward $105,000. Meanwhile, Circle is exploring a potential $5 billion acquisition by either Coinbase or Ripple. The perfect storm for crypto is brewing, and today's Crypto Pulse gives you everything you need to stay ahead. Hey crypto family, Alex from Moonward Capital here with your essential Crypto Pulse update. If you're serious about navigating these markets with confidence, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what's moving the markets right now. Bitcoin is currently trading at $104,709, up 0.59% as it inches closer to its all-time high. Ethereum is showing even stronger momentum at 2,475, up 1.17%, while the broader market shows some interesting divergence. What's fascinating is the sector rotation we're seeing. ICM tokens are up over 11%, while social FI is down over 15%. This isn't random. It's directly connected to some major regulatory developments we're about to discuss. The overall market cap stands at $3.16 trillion, with Bitcoin dominance holding strong at 64.7%. This tells us something important. Money is flowing into Bitcoin as a safe haven while regulatory clarity emerges. The biggest news today is undoubtedly the Genius Act clearing a crucial Senate hurdle with a 66-32 vote. This is massive, and here's why. The Genius Act creates the first comprehensive federal framework for stablecoins, requiring issuers to maintain full reserves and submit to regular audits. After months of partisan deadlock, this bipartisan support signals we're finally getting the regulatory clarity institutions have been waiting for. The bill now moves to final Senate vote before heading to the House. In a parallel development that's sending shockwaves through the stablecoin market, USDC issuer Circle is reportedly exploring acquisition offers from both Coinbase and Ripple. This is happening while Circle simultaneously pursues IPO plans with a $5 billion valuation target. According to our sources, Circle rejected Ripple's initial offer, but appears more receptive to a potential Coinbase deal due to their existing partnership. Think about the implications. The company behind the second largest stablecoin could soon be owned by either a public exchange or Ripple. This consolidation could dramatically reshape the stablecoin competitive landscape right as regulation arrives. While Bitcoin approaches its all-time high, we're seeing fascinating action in DeFi. Aave has jumped 15.57% to 261, becoming one of the day's top performers. What's driving this? Aave's GHO stablecoin is perfectly positioned to benefit from the regulatory clarity the Genius Act provides. Smart money is recognizing this connection early. Meanwhile, Hyperliquid continues its impressive run, trading at 25.81 with daily protocol revenue reaching new highs. Their model of using 97% of trading fees for token buybacks is gaining significant traction. Looking at derivatives data, funding rates remain positive across the board with BTC at 0.0695 and ETH even stronger at 0.984. This tells us that despite the recent run-up, leveraged traders are still positioning bullishly. The market isn't overheated yet, with the Fear and Greed Index at 63, showing greed but not extreme greed. Bitcoin is just 3.7% below its all-time high of 108,786, and breaking through this level could trigger another leg up in this bull market. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? First, regulatory clarity through the Genius Act creates a tailwind for compliant projects, especially in the stablecoin and DeFi sectors. Consider exposure to projects that integrate with regulated stablecoins. Second, Circle's potential acquisition creates both risk and opportunity in the stablecoin sector. USDC's future direction could significantly impact DeFi protocols that rely heavily on it. Third, revenue-generating protocols like Aave and Hyperliquid are outperforming purely speculative assets, signaling a market maturation that favors sustainable business models. That's your Crypto Pulse for today. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to stay ahead of these markets. Make sure you're following us for the next update in 12 hours as we track the Senate floor debate on the Genius Act and monitor Bitcoin's push toward its all-time high. Drop a comment below. Do you think Circle should remain independent through an IPO or be acquired by an established player like Coinbase? I'd love to hear your thoughts. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you navigate these exciting markets with confidence. Until next time, stay informed and trade smart.